Hey, check it out. The truth is, I came out here tonight to celebrate my first match at WrestleMania. But I couldn't help but notice, since it is WrestleMania season and we bringing out all the stars, I mean, we bringing out Jelly Roll, Pat McAfee, then it's only right that I bring out my boy, I'm talking about Lil Yachty.
Hey, brother, I want to let you know I appreciate you and I want to congratulate you because WrestleMania is not for no little boys and little girls. It's for legends in the making, and that's what you is, brother.
I appreciate that, my dog. I appreciate that.
Yes, sir.
But I need for you to understand something. I ain't bring you out here just to celebrate.
What
I gotta ask you something.
What?
And y'all gotta understand, me and Lil Yachty go way back like white walls on the Cadillac.
Let's talk about it.
So maybe, if it's cool with you,
What?
we pack up,
And?
get the all white,
And go where?
bring the mink coat,
Where?
and bring it to WrestleMania.
That's what I'm talking
with your boy
about,
Trick
baby.
Williams.
I thought you would never ask.
Cause you know, Yachty, there's nothing in the world that I will not do to get that United States Championship.
What you saying?
I'm saying, I ain't taking no lip off no gingerbread man.
You say what?
I said, I ain't taking no lip off no gingerbread man.
Get him.
Gingerbread.
Get him.
Ginger ale.
Get him.
Ginger tea.
Get him.
Ginger beer.
Get him.
Ginger root. Ginger snap. Ginger, it don't matter.